This is my very first YouTube tutorial, and today I am doing this red forest body paint for you. As you can see in the photos, I did do a beauty makeup afterwards, but I didn't get to film it purely because I'm new to all this and I couldn't get the camera in the right position and I couldn't get the zoom in the right place, and it just was all going wrong. And by that point I'd already spent an hour and a half doing the body paint and I just kind of gave up with the camera. But if anyone's interested in the face makeup, then I'm sure I can do another video, because I figured out now that I can edit it in the editing process and I can zoom in that way. But at that point I had no idea what I was doing. Like I say, this is my first video, and hopefully I'll learn as I go along and I'll get better and better. Now this is basically just a load of cotton buds just bunched together. The original artist, who I'll link in the description box below, he did an acrylic painting of this, and I've just basically tried to recreate it as a body paint. In his acrylic painting he did this technique. He also used a piece of card to do the raindrops, which I have used as well, and he also used basically a piece of screwed up aluminium foil to do the background, and that just gave it a bit of movement and different textures really, and just to make it a bit more interesting. But obviously that's not quite so easy to do with a water-based body paint, so I couldn't do that part, but I did try to incorporate some of his techniques into this piece. When it came to watching this video back, I've realised that I'm not the most methodical when it comes to this sort of thing. So you'll see me going back and forth a few times with the cotton buds, with the red and with the white, and also I go back to the trees to darken them, and also I go over the highlights on the trees a few times. I have tried to cut a lot of it out, but at the same time I wanted to keep it real so you can see how the picture actually builds up.